Dr.TiMaths is
Question
easy.
9. I find the initial velocity. So we will sub t equal with 0. So t is 0, so I will use the first function. It will be negative 2 multiplied with 0 plus 2, which is 2. So this point is 2. P at rest at t equal 1 and t equal with p. We know that p is bigger than 1, so we will use the second equation. At rest, that means the velocity equal with 0. So 3 square root t plus 4t squared minus 7 equal with 0. And put this function into GDC and find x-intercept. So t will nearly 5.22. So this point will be 5.22. When t equal with q, the acceleration of p is 0. So it will be the local minimum of the velocity, which is this point. So q will nearly 1.95. Find the speed of p when t equal q. That means they ask for the absolute value of the velocity at 1.95. I will sub t with 1.95 into the second equation, and this will nearly 1.76. D. Find the total distance traveled between 1 and p. So it will be the integration from 1 to 5.22 of the absolute value of 3 square root t plus 4 over t squared minus 7 dt. And this will nearly 4.45. Find the displacement of p from A when t equal p. So we have two different areas. So in the first 1 second, it travels to the right, the area of this triangle, which is 2 multiplied with 1 multiplied with 1/2. So this travel to the right 1 unit. And this area represents the total distance travel from 1 to p. So this will move to the left 4.45. We need to add this number. It will be, so the displacement at t equal p will be negative 3.45. Question 10. We have a minimum point at 3.5 and a maximum point at 9.17. Find the value of c, which is the midline. So it will be the middle between 5 and 17. So it will be 17 plus 5 divided by 2, which is 11. So we have the midline at 11. So that b equal pi over 6. The horizontal distance from the mean to the max is 6. And it is also the half of the period. So this means the periods will be 12. We have 2 pi over b will equal with the periods, which is 12. So b will equal with 2 pi over 12, which is pi over 6. Find the value of a. A is the amplitude, so it's this vertical distance. This will be from 5 to 11, which is 6. And be careful here. So this is a sine function with no phase shift. So after the y-intercept, it should be a maximum, but in here it's a minimum. So that means that a will have a negative sign. So it will be negative 6. Write down the value of k. So the origin maximum at 9. Now the new point has 11.5. So that means it moved to the right 2.5. So k will be 2.5. So gx will be negative 6 multiplied with sine of pi over 6 multiplied with pi minus 2.5, because it translates 2.5 units to the right, plus c, which is 11. Next, we need to find the w, where g change from concave up to concave down. That means we need to find the second derivative of g and make it 0. So the first derivative of gx will equal with negative 6 of cos of pi over 6 multiplied with x minus 2.5 multiplied with pi over 6. So this will equal with negative pi multiplied with cos of pi over 6 multiplied with x minus 2.5. So the second derivative will be pi multiplied with sine of pi over 6 multiplied with x minus 2.5 and multiplied with pi over 6. So simplify. This will equal with pi squared over 6 multiplied with sine of pi over 6 multiplied with x minus 2.5. And we need to make the second derivative equal with 0. So x will equal with 8.5. Last question. Find the maximum positive rate of change of g. That means we need to find the maximum positive value of the first derivative, which is we need to find the max of negative pi multiplied with cos of pi over 6 multiplied with x minus 2.5. The domain from 0 to 12. I put this one into GDC, and the maximum value will be pi. And we are done.